Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video I'll be showing you when it is time to replant your avocado seeds into soil. Let's get into it. Okay guys, as you can see, the coloration of these over here to compare to this one is much more healthy at the moment than this one, because you can see the leaves are drying out and this is in the water. So when you see your leaves is starting to dry out like this, when it is in the water, it is time for it to be transplanted into soil, because it's not getting the nutrients it needs anymore from the water like these ones over here. So let's get this one planted into some soil. So I'm gonna get this filled up now. Okay, so this is a 2-liter bag. I'm just gonna fill it up halfway first. So here's the avocado tree. Just gonna take it out of here. You can see how long the roots are. So when you plant it, you just put it in the soil, make it nice and flat. Then you just want to cover the roots and the seed. So you want to have at least 2 to 3 centimeters above the seed soil as well. So guys, what you want to do now is, when you finish watering it, you put it in a shady area. At least it should get at least 2 to 3 hours of sun a day, so that the leaves can recover as well. So guys, don't worry if the leaves droop when you replant it into soil, because it was just growing in water all the time, so it have to adjust to growing into soil at the moment now, but it will be fine. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, consider subscribing, comment down below if you have any questions for me and I could help you out. So thank you guys, Backyard out.